Hello friends, let's take a question and solve that using simple linear regression. In this question, length and weight of an insect is given, which is represented by variable x and y. If length of the insect is 2 centimeters, say, then the weight is 10 grams, and so on. We have given these 5 values between length and weight, and the question says that we need to create a simple linear regression model for this data, and also we need to predict the weight if length is 10 centimeter. So let's take the first part. In this, we want to create the model. Creating the model simply means finding the coefficients m and c and creating the equation y is equal to mx plus c. And for this, you need to remember the formula for m and c. M is given by this formula. You can remember it, that it is a ratio of covariance to the variance, and c is given by simple y bar minus mx bar. So let's solve this. First, find x bar. X bar is mean of x values, 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 8 plus 12 divided by 5. It is coming out to be 30 divided by 5, that is 6. And y bar is 10 plus 15 plus 19 plus 26 plus 30, that is 100 divided by 5, which is coming out to be 20. Now let's calculate this x minus x bar, which is x is 2 here, 2 minus 6 minus 4, 3 minus 6 minus 3, 5 minus 6 minus 1, 8 minus 6 2, 12 minus 6 6. Let's calculate y minus y bar. 10 minus 20, that is minus 10, 15 minus 20 minus 5, 19 minus 20 minus 1, then 26 minus 26, and last is 30 minus 20, that is 10. Now let's find the product of these two, x minus x bar into y minus y bar. It is coming out to be 40, 15, 1, 6 into 2, 12, and 10 into 6, 60. And take the sum of these. This is coming out to be 128. Let's find out x minus x bar square. The square of the first column, it is 16, 9, 1, 4, 36, and find out its sum. It is coming out to be 66. Now we have all the values. Let's find m. M is the ratio of 128 to 66, and its value is coming out to be 1.9, right? And we can find the value of c now. C is y bar minus mx bar. Y bar is 20 minus 1.9 into x bar is 6, and this is coming out to be 8.6. So I have got these two values of the coefficients m and c as these. Now our simple linear regression model is ready because we have evaluated the values of m and c, and we can write the equation or the model as y is equal to 1.9x plus c, that is 8.6. Right, so this is the answer to the first question. Now the second question says predict the weight if length is 10. Length is my x. So if you put the value of x as 10 here, what will you get? Y is equal to 1.9 into 10 plus 8.6, that is 19.8.6, which is coming out to be 27.6. So this is the prediction for length 10 centimeter. The weight will be somewhat 27.6 grams. So this is how we can create a simple linear regression model given the data set, and further this model can be used to predict any value of the outcome variable.